Hello everyone, this is Nikita and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this two-piece dress, which is very easy to make. So without wasting any time, let's see how I made it. For the skirt, first this will be our main body. Measure your waist, mine is 27 inches. Then measure the length. I want my length to be 26 inches. So first I'll be drawing a rectangle like this. Then I will be adding 5 inches extra from both the sides. After that you have to join it to the bottom with a curve like shape. Then measure the whole shape and see what is the length. Mine is 72 inches, so my ruffle will be double in length, which is 144 inches, and the width will be 4 inches. You can adjust it according to your wish. Then the waistband of mine will be 3 inches in width and the length will be 45 inches. The waistband you have to add everything and then also add the size of your ruffle. See, if you are not confident enough, first cut everything on the paper as I did like this and just check it whether your length and everything is correct. Once you are happy with everything, cut it on the main fabric. So first we will start hemming our ruffle like this, as we will need one big strip. You can cut small strips and join them together. See, now take a needle and thread and just give a running stitch through it and gather the whole ruffle like this. Then place your main body like this and attach the ruffle with the help of pins first to see how it looks. Pin them first and then stitch them. Then you have to add the waistband. Fold the waistband from the middle like this and pin it. Wait, I'll show you a closer look of it. See, this is how it is going to look. Pin the waistband first to the whole waist and then stitch it. See, my skirt is complete like this. So just wrap it around your waist like this and then mark a point where you are supposed to add the hook or button as per your wish, and then add a hook in the inside part like this and one on that outside part. And then your skirt is ready. You can add hook or button as per your wish. For the top, I am going to use it like this. I want it to be, which can be used in two ways. You will have a knots to tie at the shoulder and you can keep it any way you want. So the measurements for the rectangle will be 40 into 13 inch like this, and the knot which will be of 20 inches into 3 inches, and then for the strips we will need 20 inches strips like this, which width will be 1 inch. We'll need such two strips which we will cut from the middle. First we will work on our main body. We will fold the edge like this and keep some gap in the middle to pass the elastic. Do it for both the upper and the downside as well. After doing this, pass the elastic through it according to your measure and how you are comfortable with it, and then close the ends. See, I have did it, and then I am going to attach both the ends together and give a stitch on it. After that, for the knots, as we do usually, fold them into half like this and give a stitch on it and then turn it inside out. See, my knots are ready. We have made a big strip of 20 inches. Now we are going to cut it from the middle and then we are going to attach it like this. Please make sure that you don't give a stitch on the elastic. Give the stitch on the lower part but not on the elastic. Now for the bigger knot in the middle, I'm going to give a curve like shape in the end like this and then turn it out. Now you can tie the knot in the middle or keep it in the same way as it is. It depends totally on you. After this, we are done.
So guys, I wish you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed it, then do tell me in the comment section about how it was, and also tell me what should I try next. And if you are trying any of my DIY, don't forget to tell me on my Instagram and Facebook about it. So see you till the next time. Bye.